Hello. So we are doing different things today.
Hello.
So what I'm doing is a little pooper. And
Oh, they're so squishy. They like stick to you.
it's called a Splatter. Oh, sorry about the mess. We just came back from glitzer. So I'll just show you.
I'm just going to continue my glitzer.
Can you please carry the camera? Because this splats on a wall, and I'll show you. Go over here.
Over this way. Over that way.
Like, do it this way.
Okay.
So this is what
that good?
happens. Ready? Maybe a bit higher where that red thing is. Yeah.
I can't see, so. Oh!
It slats. And then what happens
Is it
you
good?
splats and then it rolls down. Ready? Wait for it to roll down. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. You have to just like.
It sounds so gross. It's like an emoji. Oh! On TV. Ooh, so shoe.
Slam.
Sorry, I just wanna. My feet are too big for them.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm size 10. I've got large feticles. Okay.
I don't know if Mum allowed me to open this, but yeah. Anyway.
Okay, so I am doing.
So it's just full
Smooshy
of water.
Mushy.
So when it explodes, it just gives water everywhere.
So try not to explode it.
Yeah.
Like
So
I did once.
when it comes off of a wall, don't rip it off. When it's stuck on there, just let it go down because that's what I did and it just bursts.
Okay, so it's my turn now.
Yes.
So it doesn't really say on it, but yeah, no. I'm opening Smooshy Mushy. Don't know how to open them, but you know, it's all good in the hood. She's just going to find stuff.
Boing, boing, boing. I'll put that.
You don't use your teeth. I just wanted to,
Yeah, don't.
because I'm naughty and I don't listen. Ooh. Okay, now it actually says Smooshy Mushy, and this is Smooshy Milk Vanilla. So what you do, it's do that donut. So it kind of just twists open. And you get a little, it says what you get on the side. You get a mini bottle, which is this. Then you get your Smooshy Mushy. Oh, this is so cute. Look at it, it's got a cute little thing on it. It's very adorable. It's got a little donut on the top. And ooh, it's not really scented, but you know. This is the series 2. And it's Skunk. And it comes with a little name tag and a little sticker. And then in here is where you get their little bestie. Don't use your teeth, please. And I got, it's got Skunk and Celia Cinnamon Bun. I got a skunk.
Really?
Yeah. It's kind of cute though.
I said really.
Really?
Really?
You got a wee skunk? Yeah, so good. And it's got a little bottle with stuff with the name tag in it, so. Yeah.
Really? Oh, is it the squishy?
Is it this crazy? It's called a Smooshy Mushy.
Good.
Can I have this?
Oh, no. Ask Mum.
I will. Okay.
Oh, put those lids
Oh
on.
my god, that.
Okay.
Gonna come with me.
Okay, I just got these cars.
We'll be right back.
No, don't do
I'm
that.
just kidding.
Okay, I'll bring it over and film it.
Oh no! I dropped the poo on the floor. There's a poo on the floor!
So I got all of these cars that I'll show you.
That we'll show you in a second.
In a
Or,
second.
no, okay, don't.
Yeah. Wait, I'll bring the camera.
Okay.
Hello.
It's okay, I'm gonna do this.
I'll be like, yeah. I'll stick around. Hello.
What did you just do to me? Oh, I love glitter. Look. Look at that. Oh, you're sparkly like a unicorn. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll show you our cars that I bought. So I bought some over here.
Can we clean the table?
In a second. Okay,
I'm gonna clean.
so
I'm
you.
a clean freak.
Okay. So here, I got a monster truck.
Fun.
Good for jumps. Here,
Blue car.
I got a blue car. It is a metallic dye cast cars.
Can I do this one because I like this one?
Yep.
This is a 1955 Chevy step-side pickup.
This one is all you can guess. A quad, yes, a smart quad. And then
Should I just put all this
here's
on the floor?
another smart quad, but green. Here is a weird one. It's actually USA. It's a Mini Cooper's couple.
No, it's not. it's the UK.
UK. Not yours, I am. Oh!
Oh no! The poop.
Oh, that just goes. Like that
Bet
just
you didn't
goes.
know that.
Okay, watch out.
Excuse me, I'm trying to get the glitter out of the way.
That's fun. Ready? It's gonna go.
Then should I just throw everything else on the floor?
Oh. So this one's really cool.
Can I do this one?
Yes.
So this is a
Mini van.
happy van.
Happy van.
So it is a VW Surfer combi van. It's got little hippie
Whatever.
stuff. No.
It's going off the edge.
Should I just throw everything else on the floor?
Bang.
Should I just throw everything else on the floor?
Sure. Uh-oh.
We'll clean all of this up later.
Okay, so those are our trucks. We
Slash
have
cars.
a toilet. Where best toys come from.
Should I go get some other stuff?
Nah, that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank
and
you.
visit Toyworld.
Yeah.
To get all those crazy cool things. Bye.
Bye.